Standard 2nd, Maths, chapter number 13, Time. Continue from exercise 3. One day in my life. Help me to draw the hands of the clock in each picture according to the time indicated. Means here time it is given 6:30 morning. Okay. So at that time what you are doing? Wake up. So we have to draw 6:30 means we have to draw the hour hand and minute hand. So 30 is given. So where 30 will come? Here on 6 means half an hour, right? So here we will draw minute hand, and here in between 6 and 7 we have to draw small hand. Small hand means our hand. Okay. Now next, and use scale while you draw the minute hands. Okay, minute hand and hour hand. Okay, don't do directly. Please take a help of scale, and then you have to draw. Here 8 morning means we have to exactly 8 o'clock morning time means we have to draw small hand on 8 and long 12. So it 8 o'clock exactly in the morning, right? Now 11:45 morning. So we have to draw long hand on 9 means it is 45 minutes, and small hand in between 11 and 12. So this way you have to draw. Now next 4:15 afternoon. So we have to draw small hand in between 4 and 5. In between means it is nearer to 4, and long hand on 3. 6:45 evening. So birthday party is there. So 6:45 means we have to draw small hand in between 6 and 7 but nearer to 7, and long hand on 9. 9:30 at night. So you have to draw long hand on 6, and small hand in between 9 and 10. Days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. It is first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, third day is Wednesday, fourth day is Thursday, fifth day is Friday, sixth day is Saturday, and seventh day on Sunday. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here 7 days are given. Now we have to choose the correct answer. The day after Wednesday is what coming after Wednesday? Wednesday after Thursday. So we have to check the options, that Friday, Tuesday, Thursday. So here Thursday is given. So we have to write this answer here. Now there are days in a week. How many days you have count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So we will write 7 days in a week. If today is Saturday, then yesterday means already past, means before one day, before today. So today is Saturday, so yesterday was Friday. So we will write Friday here. Dash comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. What it is coming in between Tuesday and Thursday? Tuesday after what it is coming? Wednesday. Wednesday after Thursday. So answer will come Wednesday comes in between Tuesday and Thursday. If Monday is the first day, then Saturday is so you have to count Monday is first day, right? So here Monday is given first day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday is coming 6th day. So you have to write answer 6th day. Okay. Now month of the year. There are 12 months in a year. 1 year is equals to 1 year is equals to 365 days. 1 leap year is equals to 366 days. So leap year coming after 4 years. Okay. January is the first month and December is the last month. So whenever you speak these 12 months, then you have to begin with January and it will ends with December. Right. So now exercise 5 is given. Fill in the blanks. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So I will do pronunciation of all these month. So as I am doing, you have to do drilling work. Okay. January, January. January, January. February, February. February, February. March, March. March, March. April, April. April. M-A-Y May, M-A-Y May. J-U-N-E June, J-U-N-E June. J-U-L-Y July, J-U-L-Y July. A-U-G-U-S-T August, A-U-G-U-S-T August. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R September. O-C-T-O-B-E-R October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R October. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R November. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R December. So as I am doing drilling work, in the same way you have to do drilling work at your home, and you have to learn all these months from January to December, right? Now the number of days in a month can be remembered using this rhyme. 30 days have September, April, June and November. February has 28 alone, and all the rest have 31, but leap year coming once in 4. February then has 1 day more. Okay, so it means 30 days have, in which month 30 days it is coming? September, April, June and November. And February has 28 alone, means only February has 28 days, and all the rest have 31. So all the rest means except September, April, June and November, rest of the other months have 31 days, but leap year coming once in a 4. So when leap year is coming? After 4 years, and at that time February has 1 day more. So in the beginning I said that February has 28 days, right? But when leap year it is there, at that time February has 29 days. Okay, so remember, 1/4 night has 2 weeks, 1 month has 4 weeks, and a year has 52 weeks. That you have to remember. Okay, so don't forget. And here it is given the number of days in a month can also be taught using the knuckle tricks. Knuckle tricks means, you know that what is knuckle tricks? You can see this. So here month of the year completed means exercise 4 is completed, and the remaining portion I will show you in the next video.